Hello student, how are you all? I hope you all are well and staying at home. I know to stay at home for this long time is really difficult, but to prevent our family from this COVID-19, we have to stay at home. So this is Rizwana Mukhtar, lecturer, Department of Physics. Today I am going to conduct a online class so that you can study better at home. Let's start our class. Our today's topic is power. Normally, when a person or a machine do the same amount of work in less time, then we can say that person or that machine is more powerful. So what is power? Power means the ability of doing work in 1 second, or the rate of change of energy, or the rate of transformation of energy or work in 1 second is called power. Power is denoted by P. So P equals to work by time. So we know that work equals to Fs. In our previous lesson, you learned that W equals to Fs. So if we put that equation here, then we can get a new equation of power, which is Fs by T. In our second chapter, we also learned that F equals to ma. So this equation become ma is by T. So always remember that when a work or when a person do the work in horizontal side or on the road, then we use this formula, that is P equals to MAS by T. But if a person do the work on vertical side or a work is done by acceleration due to gravity, then this formula will be changed. We know that instead of acceleration we used G and instead of S we used H. So the new formula will be P equals to mgh by T. So here's few formula you have to memorize to solve our mathematical problems. Now, unit of power. As we know that power equals to, or P equals to W by T. And we also know that the unit of work is joule and the unit of time is second. So the unit of power is joule per second or watt. Usually we use the unit of power is watt. There is some conversion of power, which is 1 kilowatt. 1 kilowatt equals to 10 to the power 3 watt. 1 megawatt equals to 10 to the power 6 watt. There's another unit of power which is horsepower. That is 1 horsepower equals to 746 watt. Now dimension of power. Dimension of power is P equals to M L square T inverse 3. So our first comprehensive question is, what do you mean by 1 watt? 1 watt means the ability of doing of work, or the ability of doing 1 joule of work in 1 second is called 1 watt. As we know that P equals to W by T. So 1 watt means the ability of 1 joule work done in 1 second is called 1 watt. Our next comprehensive question is, what is meant by power 25 watt of an electric bulb? As we know that power of an electric bulb 25 watt means that that bulb can produce 25 joule of heat and light energy in 1 second. As we know that P equals to W by T. So the power of a bulb 25 watt means that the bulb is doing 25 joule of work in 1 second, or the bulb is transform 25 joule of energy or convert the energy in 1 second.
Equal the power.
That is 25 joule per second, or 25 watt. So our mathematical question number 1 is, a man of weight 490 Newton climbs 20 stairs in 5 seconds. Find his power. A man of weight 490 Newton climbs 20 stairs in 5 seconds. Find his power. There is a note that each stairs is 20 centimeter high. So now we start to solve this question. Firstly, we have to identify our given informations. So here, weight, we know that weight is denoted by W. W equals to mg is given 490 Newton. Height, h equals to 20 centimeter into 20. 20 stairs, and each stairs is 20 centimeter height. So the total height 400 centimeter. And we know that we can't use centimeter unit or CGS unit. We have to convert the CGS unit into SI unit. So to convert centimeter into meter, we have to divide it by 100. That means 4 meter. Here also they give time. Time equals to 5 seconds. And we need to identify the power. That means P equals to what? Now, earlier I show you that there's few formulas regarding power. As here you can see that there's work is done due to the acceleration due to gravity or in vertical position. So mgh by T. Here the value of mg is 490 Newton and height 4 centimeter and time is given 5 seconds. So our answer is 392. So our next question is, a motor of 30 kilowatt can lift some water of 20 meter high in 20 seconds. What amount of water can be lifted by the motor? So here's given informations are, here given information, first information is the a motor of 30 kilowatt. That means the power of the motor is 30 kilowatt. So P equals to 30. P equals to 30 kilowatt. And we know that 1 kilowatt means 10 to the power 3 watt. So we have to multiply 30 with 10 to the power 3. 30 into 10 to the power 3 watt. Our next information is height, which is 20 meter. That's height is 20 meter. And time is 20 seconds. Here we have to identify that what amount of water is lifted by the motor. That means M equals to watt or mass equals to watt. So as we know that P equals to mgh by T. As we know that P equals to mgh by T. So our calculation, that's mgh equals to pt. So m equals to pt by gh. Here's P means 3 into 10 to the power 3. T means 20 second. G. So we know the value of G. The value of G is 9.8 meter per second square. So G equals to 9.8 and height is 20. So the amount of water lifted by the motor is 3061.22 kg. Thank you. That's all for today. See you again. Stay home, stay safe.